Hi, I'm Candy, and I'm out and about with my friend Gilbert Rodriguez.
Howdy.
How are y'all doing out there in KEDA land? KEDA San Antonio, and out and about with Candy Garcia. Of course, it's an affiliate and it's wonderful, but we're at Gilbert's Mexican Restaurant, a proud sponsor of Out and About with Candy Garcia. Gilbert, welcome to our family. We're so pleased to have you.
Well, good to have you here at Gilbert's Restaurant. And our #1 seller is Hobby Special.
I love Hobby Special.
They come from all over the place. The carne asada is so good that, well, that's what we use for the hobby.
Yes.
Inside the enchiladas, carne guisada, and that's my #1 seller. That people come from all over the place to check it out.
I love it, man. You know, you got some really great specials in here. $4.99 buys you your lunch and your drink. My goodness, you know, that's great for the economy the way it is right now. And you know what, Gilbert? Let's give them the phone number. It's 210-673
673-2990.
2990 if you want to call and order your lunch. And of course, it's located right here at 8161 Latigo Plaza.
There you go.
Right off the corner, 410 and Marbach Road. Right down the road from John Jay High School. So if you have a business or anything, you want to come down here and have your lunch. It is maravilloso. We had lunch this afternoon, my son and I, of course, cameraman back there. And it was wonderful. Gilbert, thank you so much for being so sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you for being a sponsor of Out and About with Candy Garcia. Y ahí los vemos muy pronto.
Bye-bye.